Camera rolling. We are just chilling.
Yeah, you are just a child. Chillin'.
Chilling. Chilling in. So I threw it on the ground. Oh, don't give me that look. Hey, oh, Steve, stop. I see you at the bus stop. It's dark and you probably can't see anything. You see Eric's screen, and then maybe my phone has some light on Eric. Still can't see that. See him playing Temple Run. He goes on his phone. You can't see his face. Can you see his face now? Yes, you can. There's Chris and Greg playing Minecraft. Eden. Just beat or just beat. Hello. Go look at that body. Go look at that body. Go look at that body. Work out. Go look at that body. Go look at that body. Go look at that body. I work out. What in the sky? This is what I see. Everybody stops and is staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy and I know it. It's getting crazy up in here. It's like a club. Party rocking all night long. Hey, my cheeks. Hello. No shoot, so shit, no still get service. Whoa! Go look at that body. Go look at that body. Go look at that body. Work out. Go look at that body. Go look at that body. Go look at that body. Work out. See you at the bus stop. We are at Sky Zone.
Let's get hit with the ball.
Hey, look, that's Taylor. Say hi to the camera, Taylor. Hi, Greg. Hi, Eric. Parkour! Ready? And jump over that. Fail. Oh my God! This is so epic! Jeez. What? This is epic.
Hey, look at that video.
People play dodgeball in this. Whoa! I did not know there was a step there.
What?
Come down here, grab any of your waivers and come give them up front to me.
G-Rod's group?
Yes, you guys?
No.
Here for a group reservation?
I don't know. Wait, are we?
Are we what?
Jared's group?
We have a group reservation, but that's not us. Actually, yeah, it might be, but it's probably spelled wrong.
Well then, there's a bouncy ball pit. That's epic.
Okay.
Epic.
Guys, move over to the
At
side.
the bus stop.
If you flip, put that swag in it.
Woo!
Alright, Greg, I got you. Hey, Greg, I got you.
Oh, what the heck?
What is this, Coop? Nice.
What? There's more people coming?
Oh, you're still coming? Oh, you're not playing. Okay. Ready!
We need dodgeball.
Oh. Okay.
I remember Brittany's party while we're like running around.
Oh, yeah.
Did you go to the aquarium with the tennis team? Yeah. I feel like you did. That was Miguel.
Yes, because,
Tim and Karen.
Tim and Karen, yes. He hates her now, though.
Why? It was such a cute couple.
It was She was really weird about some stuff. I'm on camera. I'll show you in a minute.
That's depressing. I thought they were cute. I remember before the tennis practice, they would go and sit in like the hallway where the gym and the cafeteria.
Just stand up, buddy. I do remember that too. Yeah, he would tell me a lot. He's very close to me, Miguel, and like I know every inch of his life. So yeah.
But
like,
apparently he thought Kathy got pregnant from him.
yeah, I know. I wouldn't be surprised if that was a huge rumor. There's rumors that I get everyone pregnant in this school for some reason.
Oh, who got that good right, Aaron? Oh, okay.
Yes, that counts, dude. I'm sorry. It's gonna feel, I can just tell you, it's gonna feel great when you guys get him at once.
I forget who it was. But somebody was like, oh yeah, I think it was Brittany. She was like, oh, but this guy is yeah. She was like, yeah, we're all hanging with Aaron. He was like, hey, you guys should just come. It closes at 11. I work there. Gosh, you just got that.
I'll touch down on Friday. Cool.
Your cousin knows my brother.
They're coming up. Oh, good. Yeah, because I know the vacation's coming up, and I work like every freaking day, except for like Tuesday and Thursday. Yeah.
You go, catch that! I was walking down the hall. No, here's Jesse. I didn't know this. He knows me. He calls me Taylor's sister. And all I hear is that. Throw it! That was my class last year. I remember one time. Hey, catch the ball!
Oh, wait. 7.
You don't throw it now, it doesn't count. Alright, keep them in the two things again.
Alright, no more back row.
I don't see anybody from Trinity jumping.
Hey, no
I don't see anybody from Trinity jumping.
That's because
I wasn't
somebody's
up first.
over.
I know.
Wait.
I wasn't up first. I got like 2 people out. I got both of them up. I got that guy and that guy out.
I don't know.
Yes! One more person!
Completely cool.
One more person.
The guy goes.
Actually did good this time. Shoulder or something. Yeah, good. Oh! Just missed! Oh!
You're out, dude.
Oh, dude. Brandon! Can I... Oh.
You're out, dude.
Hugo, are you playing? Wait, how is he in? How is he in?
He's, wait, him?
Yeah.
That's a good question. How are you in?
Jesse, how are you?
Wait, you're not in, you're out.
He's out a second time, so it doesn't really matter.
Wait,
You have to really suck.
hit me face.
You know, if he gets hit in the face at all now, like, they changed the rules.
They called it over there, we're not gonna hit me face.
Ricky, you want to switch?
Like, all the court monitors do is different, and they're not supposed to. Wait! Yes, Lecter. Yeah, you're out. Oh my God! You've been out.
For like an hour.
And get out 2 seconds after. Hugo.
And when he's hit, you're on. Oh, that's...
Yeah, that's...
Flying colors. Yo! Game isn't even over yet. He hit his shoulder. Flying colors.
Oh, no!
That hit him!
He's grieving over it. Alright, new game!
Now with our crazy night, we are going bowling.
Recoiling on my face.
They have like parking valet people.
Hello.
We have bounce. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say something.
Oh, it's getting so cold.
Meet you, see you at the bus stop, sucker. Forgot to say that last time. Oh, Steve! Stop! That's the ending. That has to be the ending for every episode.
It can't be the ending.
Yeah, because it's copy.
Wait, what was that thing with like
We're going downhill! Yay! Yay! No. Die. No.
Sunday?
Watch that.
At Sky Zone, I just did a 720. It was pretty beastly.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, Donahue.
Flat Stanley.
Donahue, how do you feel about being called flat?
I feel skinny.
Are you cold? Look at me. Get out of here. I'm not talking. Are you really that cold?
Do I have full-size pants on?
Neither do I.
I'm freezing. These have
I'm not
holes
cold.
in it to get in there. Literal holes. These are sweatpants. So I'm sweating. These things have holes in it. You can
Guys,
literally
come on over
see
here.
the skin through them.
What?
Get inside. Tiger soup.
Oh.
We'll do that like 4
You're not my mother.
Well, I'm sorry, but I don't want you to fall on your face. That'd be funny. That'd be hilarious.
I'm cold. Okay, I lied. I am cold.
Let's go to the club.
Yeah, let's go to the club. That's a club right there. An actual club. Never. Yeah! Tattoo parlor. Let's go.
Awesome.
Can we go?
Careful, there's a car coming.
Can we go?
I'm pretty sure if we bump into
It's open.
roll right over.
Getting a tattoo like a boss.
Walking like a boss.
Going on the fire lane.
You almost. Did you see the Moreno's barbershop? Then next to it. Dude, wait, Market. What?
Barbershop number 3. What?
That's pretty. There's a Moreno's barbershop and then a Carlos's Market.
Oh.
Right after it. That's just.
Moreno Carlos. That's not Carlos' name.
That's not my name.
His name's like Carlos Moreno. What?
What? Carlos Moreno? Who's that?
I think that's you, Carlos.
No, it's not. Shut up, Eric. No one asked you.
Thank you.
Time to go bowling. We are now looking at Jonathan Capadon.
Stupid follow.
Way
too distracting.
This place is pumping.
What is my pants on?
Dude, this place is pumping. That's on TV. That's someone here with that thing.
I'm gonna put them on in here.
Oh, dude, the giant balls. Oh, pain. Hey, look at my giant balls. Those are bigger balls. But that's mine. Mine are huge.
Look at this more thing.
See you guys later. Yeah. It's over recording. Recording! Woo! Oh! Keep recording. Hey! feel bad. Oh, then you just gotta make people feel bad. Just go bad. I'll make them go.